Good morning and welcome. How are we? Doing well, I hope. As you can see, she's all nice and parked up over here. Bless her. A few jobs I want to get done on her today, but as we always do, have a little look and see how everyone's doing before we get started. Jono,
Good.
how are we, sir?
Not bad, thank you, bud.
What's occurred in?
This is a turbo.
2.4 with a turbo.
Yeah.
You having all the fun?
All of that.
All of the fun. Dirty hands, clean money.
Yeah.
That's what they say.
Something like that. But by the time I'm done, the Tiger King's going to be perfect.
Oh yeah, it's a Tiger van, by the way.
He's going to be the Turbo King.
The Turbo King. What's left to do, buddy?
Just tightening the inlet manifold up now. And intake pipe. Change this because we've got an EGR delete. And
This is a 2.4 with a 2.5 manifold and turbo.
yeah. Obviously it doesn't need an EGR because it doesn't have one. Delete that, and you got a boost gauge wire there, back pipe. Take the cooler up, new filter in there, probably put some new oil, and start it up. And then guys, we'll do a cam belt on this one, and then probably play around with the diesel pump and the boost. We get it running where we want it.
Dunzo.
Dunzo, and then we're going to do
Some more other things and stuff.
Here's some things.
There's the old inlet manifold. That's the one off of the 2.4. And she's now having a 2.5. All fun.
I love the hills. Really I'm cooking out.
She's going to be perfect. So that is Mr. Jono's jobbo.
Thank you.
John's bay engine. All back together mostly. Just needs to actually go back in the bay, which is behind the radio. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Don't that look cool though? So that'll be going in the near future. Mr. Dynamo's NC500 mobile. It's getting there. Needs to put the lip on. Grind all the welds and a few little patches in here, he said. And then the welding will be done. Then steering rack and mechanical stuff. It's getting there. Dynamo.
What's happening?
You good?
Yeah, man.
More welding.
More welding. Back on the track.
Yay. What's this one? Full side?
Yeah, both. One's done now. Fighting with this side. Yeah. Yum 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 yum. Bit of rust here. Obviously. Yeah. You know it's rust there, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Yum 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 yum.
No pojaskę, zgorodzi. Not that bad, but
It's not terrible.
no, actually the bracket doesn't just
Perfect.
perfect there. See that side is done. Nice and fresh.
And my job. I need to get this dash fitted better. I was here the other day. Started pulling all the cluster apart. Well, got these out so I get the dash in and out a bit better. But I need to get this thing bolted in properly. Make sure the vents are put in, and lighting's probably terrible. Hopefully that's better. But I have got most of the... Oh, you ain't able to see. I have got most of the piping in for the vents, so they're all just ready to be clipped in. I did have to fix a bunch of the brackets and stuff that holds all of this in, which I'll show you in a bit. But I want to get that done. Do want to put this rear bumper on, because at the minute she's sort of balancing, so that needs to get put on, and the rear bumper bar. And also Yeah, my seat's a bit broke, so I'm not quite sure what I've done here, but I need to make some new seat rails for that. And just a little bit more tidying and what have you. And this thing will be ready for an MOT. Oh, I need to adjust the camber on the wheels as well. I don't know how well you're going to see that, but it's definitely kicked in at the bottom a bit, so I need to get that resolved. But those are little niggly jobs, but all in all, it's doing well. Once I got a few bits and bobs like that done, she can go for an MOT. But what I need to do is I need to pull it forward a little bit so I can move around it a bit better and pull the dash out. And then when we get the dash in, pick the camera up, we can all do it together. So see you in a mo. Right, there's the dash out. And as you can see, all the vents are where they need to be. Got all the wires, that's the speaker wires. Cigarette lighter. Demister, hazards, all roughly where they need to be. Oh, the headlight loom. These, obviously, these are all for the vents, but we'll deal with that all after. Now, we need to get this dash in properly. There was a few. Let me show you. There you go. As you can see, some of the brackets that was holding it all on have snapped, so I've had to use like a washer and whatnot to try and hold it in. But it's all secure and as it should be. There's one, I think there's one broken clip. I think it's, yeah, it's there. That one's broke. That's not the end of the world. But now I need to get that in here, connected up to all the vents and bolted back in properly. Could probably do with zip tying that up as well, which I'll do now. That is the plan. Get all the bolts in, make it look all pretty again. There's my aerial cable. Anyway, stop faffing. I need to get this dash in properly. So, whoa, chill out. Well, that took a bit longer, but it's in. Oh. Everything is connected in. So, glove box. I think I'm using that one. I don't have any panels left. Oh, she's coming together. Yeah, glove box needs to go in. Got that little panel. I don't even know where it is. Yeah, cool. Where's that little quarter bit? Oh, come on. That's not ideal, is it? Well, I don't know where that panel is. Anyway, I need to get that glove box apart and get that wiring out of it to put it into that one. So, I'm going to do that. There we go, back again. All the wiring is put back in again. Now, get it all mounted it up. Is that plugged in? Of course I put the screws in the wrong. Damn it. I now need to remove the two screws I already put in. Put one in there. And then obviously I've got these ones on the side. And then I need to look for these corner bits. But, look at that. Sounds like a complete dash again. Admittedly, that should probably be a bit more of a that angle, but look at this. Right, I'm going to get this thing sorted out. So, see you in a mo. There we go, look at that. Glove box is fully in. Yeah, boy. I did have to put that bolt all the way through because I couldn't find the one that was doing it, and he did drill it out. But meh. Cannot find that panel. Other than literally all of this cowling and the surrounds around there, this is fully in, minus this bolt. Which needs to go up there. Ta-da! That is officially bolted it in. Look at that. Completely everything's done. Like I said, I've got that cowling to put in. Bit that goes around the steering wheel column, which is all back there. Haven't put any of this lot in, but that again, all back there. Look at this! Beautiful! 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 It's doing things. In case you're wondering what that noise is, it's the extraction. Loud.
Less rust.
Huh?
I said less rust.
A lot less.
Whatever you said. She's now full off.
She is done.
Well, she's not done did it yet.
She is done. Did it?
You gotta get some bit of pipe to go from here back up to the freezer. Bit of pipe from a turbo to base. Couple of little things to do.
So it's coming together nicely. It's 2.4 non-turbo / turbo.
Yeah.
So, my light's on, but you have to put up with that. All in all, going well. Do need to try and find where that is. Genuinely don't know where I put that. And I have looked and I can't find it. But I now need to, hang on, there we go. Okay, thanks John. I need one of these, either that one or that one. I need a surround for the clocks. Already got one of them in.
Alright love, where do you want to go? What do you mean you got no money?
Well, that happened. So yeah, I need to put that on. Actually no I don't, I need to put that one on. Because that one looks better. Minus the dirt on the inside. So that one. That one. That can go in the bin. 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 That one needs to deal with that another time. Bin. Bin. That goes in the front. Right, so hang on. Need that. Need that. Need that. Need that. I need that. Might as well have that. Don't need that. That needs to go on too. I don't think that's mine. Right, so I need to go fit all of these to the rest of the dash, and then that will be done. Yeah, boy. So I'm gonna get this lot fitted, and then after that, I'm gonna take his seat out and do it. Get that done. I'll see you when the dash is done. Well, there's that lot done. I can't put that in because it's broke. Can't put the stereo in because all the wiring is just an absolute mess. And I don't want to run the stereo that was in it. I want to run that one. And to do that, I need to do all the wiring. So that's not going in. But all the rest of it's done. So that's done. That's on. Oh, I haven't put the steering wheel on. Ta-da! Right, I now need to get this seat out because it broke and I need to fix it. So I need to pull this out. I have got some metal over there somewhere. I'm going to make it so it's how it should be. Right, let's get the seat out. Easy as that. Out she is. Now, I need to take all this bracketing off and then remake some new ones because that is awful. So I'm going to take all that lot apart. Once I've done that, I'll show you what I'm doing next. So see you once this seat's off the base. Well, some time has passed and some things have happened. First of all, Di's now doing
Something.
sill on his van. And my seat has now put a little extensions on. And then just after I drilled all the holes, Di said he was going to weld it. So it's all nice and welded. And I came up, when I fitted these seats, this pull was like up here somewhere and it was really annoying. So I wanted to find something, and luckily enough, I have. Ta-da! Gear linkage. And it works a treat. Happy with that. I might eventually cut it down a bit, but I'm happy. I think that's quite cool. It's definitely not. I'm not sure if that's going to stick out too much, you know. Oh, that's better. Maybe if I cut that off there, actually, and just have it like that. Put that on that end. Yeah, I might do that. Cut that off. Let's see if I can get that off and put it on that end. Cut that off there. Well, there we go. That's that bit done. Now I need to go speak nicely to Mr. Di. That goes there. Boop, boop, boop. There you go. Happy with that. Get that bit welded on in a bit. But happy with how this has gone today. Dash is now completely in. Look at that. Completely in. This thing looks so much different now. So happy with this. Look at that. Impressed. Seat's done. Just need to put it back in. Well, need to get that little bit done. I have already got the bolts for it and that just needs to get bolted in. It should be back in and sorted. Very, very happy with that. Today has gone very well. And I've cut myself. And Mr. Dynamo, in his free time, after hours, is finishing doing this. Look at that.
Made by hand. No, boy. Go like that. Look at that. And you hang up. Oh, boy. Yum, 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 yum.
And on that glorious note, I think we're going to call it an end. Very happy, very happy. But we're going to call it quits for tonight. Hopefully you've enjoyed. If you did, give us a like. But as always, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for putting out of our dumbass. And as always, take it easy.